Hello, welcome to your learning spot. In today's maths lessons, we are going to learn how to do rationalization of a denominator. When the denominator of a fraction contains a third, you can rewrite the fraction so that it only has a rational number than the denominator. This is called rationalizing the denominator. It means that we have to remove the roots from the denominator. When the fraction contains a third in the denominator, make the denominator rationalize using its three roots. For the fraction in the form of k upon root b, you just have to multiply the numerator and denominator with root b. For the fractions in the form of k upon a plus root b, then you have to multiply a minus root b in the numerator and in the denominator. And for the fractions in the form of k upon a minus root b, so you have to multiply a plus root b in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Let us see a few examples and solve them. Okay, rationalize the denominator of this fraction. So in the first fraction we have 1 upon root 6. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to multiply top and bottom with root 6, or you can say the denominator you have to multiply on both the sides, that is root 6. So 1 times root 6 is root 6, and root 6 into root 6 we get 6. So this is how we do the rationalization of the denominator. Moving on to the second question, it is 2 upon root 5. So what we have to do is we have to multiply the root 5 with the numerator as well as the denominator, or you can say you have to multiply root 5 with the top as well as the bottom. So we get 2 times root 5, and root 5 into root 5, so we get 5. Okay, moving on to the question number C, that is 18 upon root 6. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to multiply root 6 with the numerator as well as the denominator. So 18 root 6 upon 6. Now you can simplify the fraction. Okay, so 3 root 6. Moving on to the fourth question, D. Okay, moving on to the question number D, that is root 5 upon root 55. What you have to do is you have to multiply root 55 with the top as well as the bottom. So on the top, in the numerator, you get 275 root, and then here you get 55 in the denominator. When you do the prime factorization and get the root out, you get 5 root 11 and 55 in the bottom. Then you divide and get the answer as root 11 upon 11 as answer. Do question number E and F and share your answers in the comment section. We'll start with the first question. It is 1 upon 5 plus root 3. So here you have the positive, the addition sign. What you have to do is you have to take negative sign. Okay, you have to multiply with the negative. So it would be 5 minus root 3, 5 minus root 3. You have to multiply. So in the numerator you get 5 minus root 3, and in the denominator this makes an identity a plus b, a minus b. So it is a square minus b square. So it would be 5 square minus root 3 square. Okay, so the answer would be 5 minus root 3. 5 square is 25. 25 minus 3. Okay, and that is 22. 5 minus root 3 upon 22. This would be your final answer. Moving on to the question number B, 1 upon 4 minus root 5. Okay, so what you have to do is here you have the negative sign. So what you have to multiply with? You have to multiply with the positive sign. So 4 plus root 5 you have to multiply. 4 plus root 5. Okay, so in the numerator you will get 4 plus root 5. In the denominator again you have to use this identity, a plus b, a minus b. So it would be 4 square minus root 5 square. So 4 4 is 16 and root 5 is 5. 4 plus root 5. Okay, here you get 11 in the denominator and the numerator remains same, and this is your final answer. Okay, moving on to the question number C, that is 7 2 plus root 5. So again you have the positive sign. So what you have to do is you have to multiply with the negative sign. Okay, so 2 minus root 5 and 2 minus root 5 you have to multiply with the numerator and denominator. So you get 2 minus root 5 into 7. Okay, you have to multiply this, and in the denominator you have to use the a plus b, a minus b identity in order to get a square minus b square. So you have 2 square minus root 5 square. Okay, you get in the numerator you have 7 2s are 14 minus 7 root 5. In the denominator you have 4 minus 5 So you get negative 1 in the denominator, and in the numerator it remains same. So what we can do is we can transfer this negative sign in the numerator, and our final answer would be negative 14 plus 7 root 5. Okay, moving on to the question number D. 2 plus root 3 upon root 3. This is very easy. You just have to multiply root 3 with the root 3. So you get 2 plus root 3 in times root 3, and then root 3 into root 3 we get 3. So it is 2 root 3 plus 3 upon 3. Okay, do question number E and F as a homework and share your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe.